got this old DeWalt battery, marked at X, so I know which one is. One of these contacts, it's loose, so as if it moves within the drill or skill saw on the back, it just keeps losing the contact. So I'm going to take it apart. These little Torx screws with a little pin inside, so you need a bit that has got a little hole. This size is T10. It says T10H on it. So I'm just going to unscrew the 4 screws in the back and open it up. Right, once the screws have been undone, there you go, 4 screws, then by holding the bottom part of the body, grab the yellow part and gently ease it off and lift up. And there you go, this is what we got. It's a genuine DeWalt battery, it's quite old. So it is these contacts here that are malfunctioning. I would say the end one's that one, and that one there, it's sort of bent and yeah, it's worn out as well. You can see that bit there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them all up and crimp them up tighter together, and that's going to bring a bit more life to it for at least another year or so. With long nose pliers, I have sort of crimped them up so they get contact in the middle, and I try to repair or fold the left hand side one here so it's sort of got a little curve towards outside, so when the battery goes slotted in to get slotted in, it doesn't push it back in. There you go. And to reassemble, it's just line it all up, push the yellow bit down, and then put 4 screws on it, and we'll try it. Let's try the battery. That's the same one with the X. No, it's good. Doesn't rattle, and it's not losing the contact. There you go, done.